What's up, guys? It's Boods here. It did not snow today, although we still have some snow outside. Today's video is going to be oh, there's some turkeys outside. No, let me show you guys these real quick. Oh, look at the turkeys. Alright, anyways, so I can't talk about the situation all too much, but 3 years ago I bought myself a C32 AMG. And the girl that I was dating at the time, I let her drive it. It was our car. We're not together anymore. What happens next? Well, I want my car back. So last night was the first time in about half a year now that I finally got the car back. I have it parked over at German Motors. They're going to be looking over it. So today, I haven't seen the car in half a year. But we're going to go up to German Motors. We're going to see the car. We're going to talk about the car, talk to them about what we're wanting to do with the car. We're going to get some burritos at Burrito Express. Best burritos ever. TJ, happy birthday, TJ. We're going to go to Burrito Express for you. And yeah, I'm just really excited to have this car back again. Excited to bring it to you guys too. Make some videos on it. Real nice day today as far as the sunshine. Pretty dang windy though. That it is. We'll be taking the E93 today. Still a colored car. I guess I could show you guys more on how this is a daily driver too, since we'll be driving it around. I'm definitely an iPhone guy, but having this Android tablet is just so nice to have. Let's see, search up, just search right up. Well, service lights, of course, but hey, it's an old BMW. It's $3,000. Absolutely, one of these days we will wash it. You know what? Let's just go wash it today. And I want to reiterate, I'm not talking about this car. I'm talking about my C32 AMG. It's a C class. This is an S600. Actually, not an AMG. The AMG style of this car is the S65. These were my nitrous hookups on the car. Let's pop this engine bay. This does, however, have, for some reason, the incredibly expensive carbon fiber kit on it. The carbon fiber engine brake kit. This is an absolute ripper of a car. It's on nitrous, bigger turbos, twin turbo V12, and a lot of power. Very luxurious too. Right, here we are now. We're in the E93, driving out of the neighborhood. We'll have to get some gas for sure. We got what, 7 miles till empty. But I really like driving this car. I haven't daily driven the C32 myself, even though I've owned it for 3 years. But that car, not exactly a great daily. It really is a race car for the road. And it isn't as civilized as you might think, being that it's a C-Class Mercedes. No, that car, it's quick. It's very quick. This one has a tune on it, pulley, all that stuff. For those that don't know, it's a supercharged V6 M112K, which you might recognize from the E55 AMG, the M113K. It's the same engine design, 2 less cylinders. This is a V6, not a V8. But living up here in Colorado at this high elevation, I prefer the C32 to C55 all day. The C55 is a bit of a dog up here at our elevation loss, and the C32 being supercharged, especially being able to tune it with smaller pulleys, stuff like that, it makes up for that elevation loss real fast. So I know in most places in the country, a C55 is the more desired version of those two cars, but to me, the C32 is the underdog and absolutely the way to go. Now back on the topic of daily driver, yeah, the C32, it's fast, it's a lot of fun. It gets you in trouble quickly though. You can easily reach very, very high speeds in that car. Although fun, you know, you have that potential risk. It also drives extremely stiff. It has, you know, more race focused suspension on it. The tires are staggered, and it does go through tires quite a bit. It's fairly reliable, but it is still a C class. It is still a C class. This car is the generation after Although I know this is a BMW, but what I'm saying is this is the competitor of the generation after this one. So, although it's a nice AMG, it has racing seats. Those seats are not very comfortable. The car is more of a weekend focused car than it is just a daily driver. Oh man, and these Hummers, man, I really want one of these. Victor, I know you're watching this. We're gonna get one of those soon, bud. So when it comes to daily driving, I really do just prefer this BMW. This is simple, it's easy, it's modern enough, and it doesn't beat me up while I'm driving it. Yeah, it has the M Sport package on it, so I can still have some fun in it without, having that real, race car feel to it. It was a real nice BMW. We're passing Lockheed Martin now. I think we're gonna get burritos first, and then we'll go see the car. So I was down in Scottsdale last month for Barrett Jackson, and me and my buddy Victor, we were leaving the event. One of those electric Hummers comes up on us at a red light, and he just floored it like a bat of hell. I've never seen something that big move that fast. And we had saw a few Hummers while we were at the Barrett Jackson show as well. They were kind of in the expo area. Man, those things are killer. I bet it's not as fast as this BMW, but they're cool. I love that they made electric cars trashy again. Like how the Hummer made cars trashy. They somehow managed to do it with electric cars too, and I salute them for it. And I just really want one for that reason. I know it costs $100 to fill up with the electricity, not even gas, but I like it's opulent. It's a luxury lifestyle. It's I'm enjoying these lakes. My grandchildren won't, because I'm driving a Hummer EV, but I'm driving an EV. Guys. Pulling up at the car wash now. This thing's about to get the first wash since I bought it. But the reason for this is because it snows every day. Like, what's even the point of washing it when it's gonna snow every day? But I'm excited. I mean, it's a black car. It's gonna look beautiful. So yeah, let's get to washing. Saving up quarters for this moment. I knew a wash would be coming. Let's see. I think we are short. I was hoping to girl math that one and get a free car wash here, but if I'm paying for it with quarters, whatever, we'll use the card. Looks like it's gonna be on there for a while. Can you believe I used to be a pro detailer? I gotta say, this looks much better when it's washed. Maybe I should do that more often. Oh, alright, let's get some gas. Here's some daily Colorado driving. Doing about $1. Keeping up with this Tesla, who's gonna get the ticket instead of us, hopefully. It's a beautiful day. It looks like a beautiful day. It's freezing outside, but what's the car say? But no, yeah, BMW's a comfortable driver. I like the 530 more for those Autobahn highway speeds. But the 3 Series is just a smaller, lighter, more tossable car. It's a more fun experience than my 530, the E61 is. But yeah, Tesla's, let's keep up with the Tesla. Yeah, no, he's a little faster than us, but it's fine. We're just cruising. Admiring all these lakes that my grandchildren won't enjoy because I'm going to buy a Hummer EV. Very nice lakes. I'm sorry, grandchildren. Alright, we're at Burrito Express now, waiting for the burrito. Jordan Motors is pretty much just right down the road. I grew up around here, and a few years ago, my good friend TJ, he stayed at my house. And he asked me to go get some breakfast, so the two of us, we came here. We ate the breakfast burritos from Burrito Express here in that corner. And yeah, it's his birthday today, so figured we just come down here since I was already coming in the area, and I can't see TJ in person today, so happy birthday, TJ. Alright guys, we're pulling up on German Motors right now. I'm excited. I'm really excited to see the car. I love this car a lot. Can't believe it. Can't believe it's back. Oh, and there it is. There it is. With the plate on it and everything. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. There it is. Actual very nice turbo diesel. I'm gonna go inside, talk to these guys, let them know that I'm here. We'll talk about the car. Don't know what that one's doing, but wow, I'm excited. All right, just got done going over with them about what we're gonna be doing with this car. God, that feels good. That feels so good. Oh man, half a year I haven't seen this car. But here we are. This is a C32 AMG, baby AMG, baby Benz, absolute ripper of a car. Alright, so here's the interior of the car. Gorgeous bolstered leather, AMG seats, even the rear. Oh, sorry about that. Even the rear has AMG embroidered on it. Oh, just so nice. This car doesn't have too many, it's pretty subtle is what I'm trying to say. It says AMG on the dash. Oh, it's comfortable. I miss this car so much. We're gonna be getting this thing back up and running. It needs the rear SAM is what I've been told, which is basically the rear fuse box of this car. I'll show you guys the engine. This is a very rare car, so you probably haven't seen too many of them. Supercharged V6 AMG engine. And like most Mercedes AMGs that have quad exhaust, this actually doesn't. This only has a dual exhaust. Maybe AMG tag on it. Oh, could be more excited, guys. It's probably going to be my new daily driver now. I'll probably be selling the E93 and most likely the E61. But what a great feeling. What a great feeling. Thanks so much for watching. I'm going to head back home now. But just know, AMG content will be coming soon.